Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Danielle and today I have a huge Adore Me haul. So if you guys have been on the fence on possibly making a purchase or ordering through them, let me show you what I got and what my thoughts are. Today I have a huge Adore Me haul. I am super stoked for this because I've been seeing them for years. I've watched a lot of huge YouTubers that I've loved for many, many moons, and they would always have purchases through Adore Me, and I was always like, oh, I don't know, you know, like, are they really that great, or is it really the hype, or what? So I am super excited. Adore Me went ahead and gave me the option of picking up some stuff via their site. This is sponsored by Adore Me, but I'm just gonna put it out there, guys. This is 150% my opinion. You know, I will not ever put you guys onto anything that I would not ever use myself. I know a lot of people say that, but I am 100% real with y'all. So I went ahead and I went through their site and I picked up a little of everything. I was really focused on their fitness wear. You guys know I'm really into working out and, you know, being the best me that I can be, and I was really intrigued by their fitness line, so I went ahead and made a majority of my purchase through them. So let me go ahead and show you what I ordered. So you go ahead, you make your order, and they send you out your package. So your doorbell rings, your mailman drops it off, and this is the box. It's really cute, and I'm like, oh. And it's packed, everything is packed so nicely. So for packaging and shipping purposes, they are awesome. I really like that. They were here pretty quickly and everything was packed very nicely. All right, the first thing that I wanted to show you guys is actually the outfit I am wearing today. It is a like kind of racerback shirt, and I am wearing, I ordered a sports bra with it as well. What I really liked about the sports bras was they came with matching underwear, like a panty set, and it's really for working out. So like slip resistant, you know, sweat resistant. If you guys have ever had a really good workout and it looks like your PJ pants, yeah. So yeah, I got this shirt on and I really like it. I will insert a full clip of me in it, and I'm wearing some leggings, and I really like the leggings because they have a lace detail at the bottom. So they're, you know, cute and like pretty and feminine. But what I really love about them is that they have a super high band on the top of the belly, so it's not rolling and like you're not squatting down and your butt crack isn't like hanging out the back. Absolutely hate that. And they are thick enough to where when you do squat or work out, your underwear isn't showing and you're looking like a hot mess. So I love them for that reason alone. The sports bra I really like. It has the crisscross in the back and it has these really thick straps right here. So if you guys do any high impact working out or stuff like that and your girls are bouncing, this is super high impact. It gives you tons of support and it's not gonna be digging into your shoulders. So I really like that. So these are the leggings that I was telling you about. I absolutely love them. They do have the lace detail at the bottom. They are very thick, nice quality, but they're not like where they're just so like tight, they're like strangling your body. But this is just a regular, what do you call it? The regular rise. And there's my belly button, so it goes right to said belly button. And the band is nice and high, nice and thick. It's not rolling or anything like that. And it's not see-through at all, which I really enjoy. And this is the tank top that I am wearing. Remember, I got it in this purple and I also got it in another color. And I really like it. It's really lightweight. It does have some like sheer meshing at the top. And then underneath I do have just this purple sports bra. I really do like this. This is super like for high impact. It really just brings the girls in and holds them in place. So yeah, I love this. You can see it kind of has like that muscle tee look to it. The next thing I ordered was another pair of leggings. These are just legging pants. I got these in a size large. My leggings are all in larges, and This tank top is in a medium, I believe. And the sports bras, I wear a 36C, and the panties are in a large, just for reference. So there are just some black leggings. I really like that little Adore Me sign on the back. But what I like about them is they have that mesh panel. I'm going to show you guys. It has the mesh paneling on it. So I really like that. It kind of just adds something with them. Super supportive. Like, these are like supporting you like your best friend. Like, these are taking care of business. Your butt fits, and they look good too. You guys know I'm very self-conscious about my belly, and I feel like this band is thick enough that where they hold me in, and I feel like I can conquer the day but look like super cute, like an IG fitness model. Whatever. But yeah, so I'm really digging these, and I got these in a large, and I love the paneling. I went ahead and ordered just another shirt, same as this, but in a different color. Okay, I got these shirts in a large, and this is it in like a turquoise. Really, really cute. It's kind of like got that muscle tee, so you can wear like your cute bras that you ordered with this underneath, but look cute with it. You know what I mean? Like, I, for the longest time, did not have any bras, like sports bras, that were cute at all. So, and I like them because they're padded in the front too. So, but yeah, anyways, this can show off all that work you're putting in the gym in the back. And that's the back of it. Really cute. I went ahead and ordered another pair of leggings. These are just like the black ones with the mesh paneling, but these are in a gray. I also ordered these in a large, and they do have the mesh paneling as well. And again, super supportive, but really cute. And these you can wear them in the summer. You can wear them all year long. And they just, I don't know, guys. I feel like I can really get motivated when workout clothes for me really motivate me to work out. I don't know if that sounds dumb, but I just love it. It just motivates me, and the better I feel in them, the harder I work, because the more it gives me that motivation to get an even better physique. So hopefully, if you guys are on the fence, maybe this will help you get motivated. I ordered another sports bra. So this is the first one I got, the one I showed you, and then I ordered this one. This one, it has like this coral in it, and this one just slides over your head. The one I'm wearing right now actually has the clasps. But yeah, so this is really cute. It is padded, so I like that. I like the colors. And then they do come with a matching panty, and this is how they look. And they have that really pretty color on the side. I got these in a large as well. I did order a long sleeve workout shirt, so this is kind of how it looks. It has the mesh right here. It does come out long. It's gray, but it has this extra right here, like that hole in the back. And it's really light, so I can still wear it now, like in the summer, because if I ever go to like the bigger gym, or even in my basement when I have the air on, or regular days, it's kind of cold down there, so sometimes I just have a hoodie that I throw on down there. But I could totally wear this, and I like it, and it really will make me feel like I got my stuff together. And with one of the cute little sports bras underneath, yes. I was thinking of pairing this with either of the gray or black leggings with that black and coral pink sports bra. I think that would look really cute. All right, not only do they have fitness wear, but they have bathing suits, they have pajamas, they have lingerie, they have some bodysuits, they have bras and panty sets. So I kind of wanted to touch on everything just to kind of see what it's all about. So I did find a really cute PJ set, and it's just a short sleeve like a t-shirt, but what adds to it, it has this like pink silk back opening. I got this in a large. I probably could have gotten in a medium if I would have known this back opens up like this. But it's super light, really pretty. You know, after you've worked or had a super long day and you take that nice hot shower and you shaved your legs and your hair's clean, what better way to feel like you can handle and you're going to sleep like a queen than slipping into some comfy PJs and just So I ordered me some of those, which I'm really excited about. And then they came with these really cute shorts to match. And they have the little pink pockets right here. And they're just like soft and cotton. And I'm just telling you, when I shave my legs, when it's like one of those shower days when I wash my hair and shave my legs, I feel like the baddest chick on the block. And to slip into some comfy PJs and some clean sheets, I feel like a queen. Like I am living a life of luxury. So I'm excited to wear these. I did mention that they do offer a swimwear line. I really like Adore Me because they're not a straight size site. They offer, you know, average sizes and they offer plus sizes. They range, and I really, really love that about them. So I was looking at their bathing suits, and I probably need another bathing suit, like I need a hole in my head, but I came across this black high-waisted bathing suit. And if you guys watched my bikini haul, I did order a black high-waisted bikini and I did not like it. So I was still kind of on the hunt for one, and I came across this one. And okay, so these are the bottoms. It's obviously a black one. This is the bottoms. I ordered the bottoms, I believe, in an extra large. I went off their sizing chart, guys. Always go off a sizing chart. So they look a little big, but I'm really digging them. And I like it because they have like this piping right here. Like, these are super good quality. They're not thin at all. They have a nice lining on the inside. Like, it's almost like a microfiber. I don't know, but it's like that scuba wear lining. So I really like that. I really like the piping detail. These are the way the back looks. So I feel like it's really gonna suck me in. And here, so this is like the top right here, and it offers the removable straps. But this is what I really liked about it. It has this lace up in the back. And it really just added something to just a plain black bathing suit. So I thought that was really sharp. And I really like how these are removable, because if you were a tanning babe, these would be really nice to not have those tan lines. So yeah, this is the bathing suit I have. So I ordered the top in a 36C and the bottoms in an extra large, which is another awesome feature that this site offers, that you can order. It's not like the top has to be a large and the bottom has to be a large. Like, if you're a top, like more of a top heavier girl, you can order it one size and then order your bottoms in a smaller size. I'm kind of reverse. I'm kind of smaller on the top and bigger on the bottom. So I was able to go ahead and order these in an extra large. And the quality, guys, is legit. Like, okay, so you guys know I've been like on this huge bodysuit kick lately. And during the summer, me and Leo, if we get a chance to have a date night, sometimes we'll go to country concerts, or sometimes we just go to like a local bar, and they have a lot of like beer gardens. I don't know if that's what they're called, but like a patio you can sit out at, and we'll have a couple cocktails and, you know, some hors d'oeuvres and just enjoy each other's company. So I was like, you know what, let me buy some stuff that I can wear for that. So I found this bodysuit on their site, and I was like, oh, so pretty. It's like a steel gray. Almost gives off a purple, I don't know, like a pewter, I guess I would say. But the neck is so pretty, super feminine. It has a little cap sleeves, and it comes down, and then the back opens, and I was like, oh my gosh, so beautiful. Like, even for like the fall with a blazer, I thought, yes, this is so nice, so sexy, so pretty. So I ordered that, and I got that in a, I believe I got this in a large. Let me see. I did. I ordered that in a large. The next one, guys, I don't know what I was thinking. So I was thinking of wearing this. I thought it was covered in the front, first off. And I was thinking of wearing this with some like high-waisted black like point pants, and for like a date night during the summer with some strappy heeled shoes. So this is what it looks like. I didn't know that this part was see-through. Like, this is legit lingerie. And like, it comes out like this, and I was like, but it's so cute though. I mean, it's like super sexy. Like, this is like get you a baby sexy. But really pretty, very feminine, very nice quality. It's just, I don't think I'm gonna walk out in the house wearing this. Maybe I could put a black bra underneath. I don't know. I don't think I have the gumption to walk out of this, but if you did, girl, this is hot. This is it. I would wear a black bra underneath this if I had a little bit more oomph in my step. But it's sharp though. Leo seen it and he was like, where are you gonna wear that to? And I was like, no, where you won't take me. Just joking. Finally, I went ahead and I picked up some bra and panty sets. You know, Adore Me is really known for their bras and their panties, so I wanted to kind of just pick up a few of the different things that they have out there. And the first set I picked up, they're all black. I didn't know why I ordered all black. The first one I ordered was a push-up bra, because your girl needs it. But this is it, just black, really, really sexy, super feminine. I love lace. I think it's really nice. It does come with the cup on the inside to kind of boost your girls. So I got this in a 36C, really pretty. I like how it's super thick, so it kind of covers the side rolls there. So I got that, and these are the black panties that came with. Really pretty, super lacy. I was like, oh, size large. All right, the next one is one of those BIKINI bras, which I really like how low it sits. You see how it goes super low? I love that. I think it's so sexy. I think it just really, I don't know, I feel like a nice bra would really put you in a whole new mindset. So this is what it looks like. It has the beige on the inside. Like I said, it comes a little bit down lower. Adjustable straps. It is padded. Everything I own is padded, guys. And it has a little pretty pink bow on the inside. So I got that in a 36C. Then I ordered these like cheeky panties to go with. And these are in a large. They kind of give you an option if you want like a bikini panty, cheeky panty, whatever. But I ordered these ones. Then I ordered a just regular push-up bra. And this is how it looks, black with the beige lining underneath, a lot of lace. Like I told you, super feminine, very pretty. This is the panty it came with. Really pretty black lace. Love it. Have you girl and feeling all types of ways. Again, in a size large. And this is the 2-size helper bra, which your girl needs sometimes. And I love this one. It has just the plain black satin cups. Super padded, guys. Will definitely give you, reminds me of that Miraculous bra from Pink or Victoria's Secret they used to have years ago. But I love this backing. I think this is so sexy, so pretty, very understated, super feminine. I love this. And then this is the panty that it came with. This is a long, feeling like putting all the girls out there, but really pretty. A lot of lace. So there you go. So hopefully if you guys are on the fence thinking of maybe making a purchase from Adore Me, this kind of gave you the reason behind it. I 150% back them, guys. That stuff is so nice, super high quality, and the size ranges that they offer, I absolutely love. Because, you know, each woman is shaped differently, and I just love the fact that it caters to every size a woman is. And I really feel like a good bra or panty or a nice workout set or a sexy pair of PJs or whatever the case may be, if that has you feeling yourself and feeling super feminine and makes you want to, you know, rock your curves, then hell yes, guys, do it, because you are super beautiful, and every curve that you have needs to be loved and owned and rocked, because y'all some bad ladies out there. I see you. So I will have everything linked below if you want to go ahead and try out Adore Me. Again, thank you to Adore Me for sponsoring this video. I really love the message you are sending to us women out there, because we need a lot more companies like yours. So if you guys are new here, please do not forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I would love to have you. We do a little bit of everything around here, and we're just a bunch of happy friends getting along, living life together. So I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much. Have a great one. Bye, guys. And I've got nothing else but you on my mind.